All right, so you're in the trade off the 50 for the juicy 5-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio trade we showed earlier in the week. But now, as a member asked me, too, but it looks like it could be a flat off the bottom. How can I know if this impulse off the low is a C of a flat or not? Well, we never know anything for sure. We are only working on probabilities, and it's not hard in stone probabilities. This is a skill game, boys, and you have to follow the rules and guidelines. They're there for a reason. When the market is giving you a clear Elliott signal, you should not ignore it. Antennas up, because it is unclear so often, like it is on this move down. So we have to be very aware that this is potential for a 3 and then 3, 5. And depending on our sizing, depending on how we've entered this trade and our goals here, we can make many different decisions. But how do we know it's not a C of a flat 2? We can't, but we can look at a few things. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a base trend channel correctly on the move. We don't even need an Elliott wave count here. We got the 0, we got this swing and this swing. So potential first 0, A, and B of the first zigzag for the base channel of the whole corrective series. Have you broken out of that? If you have, that is a big up, especially if you've tested the low, which we pretty much have. Okay, have we broken any downside algo series? 1, profit take. So 2, here's your next 50 entry. Oh, look at that. We're at the 65. We did not break out yet. So if we're still long, we need to look at this move and see if it's a nice corrective. If it turns into what looks to be an impulsive, is it breaking out of its own base channel? Things like that. Oops, that's the wrong tool. If it's breaking out of its own base channel, then it's starting to get impulsive to the downside, and we need to go ahead and get the hell out. If it looks motive, be very objective with yourself. If it looks motive to the downside, go ahead and get out and take what profit you can. If it doesn't, go ahead and look to add on the retrace, baby. But you never know. It's trader's choice. That's the way these things work. You're not going to win them all, and if you expect to, it's not going to go good for you. All right, boys, toot out.